I'm just making this right here, quick and fast. Peppermint pinwheel. It's pretty good. I put a splash of cinnamon in there with my Wawa French vanilla. So we'll see how I like it if I want to add something else to it. I have peppermint mocha in the refrigerator, so yes. Oh, you want to use the purple one?
Yeah.
Yes. Let me put it away for you. She don't mess around. She got her robe in there, everything. Yes on that. Yes. Button acting crazy. Okay, there we go.
Oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh.
Hey guys, we're back from Santa's breakfast. Hershey was walking around. I said, let me come and open her. Here she comes. You hear her footsteps. Day 6. Yes. See? Now I'm searching for it because I mixed them up. Yes on that. So here's day 6. Let me grab her. I took it out of the wrapper, I think. Yeah, she got it. So I think she likes the box more. I think it's a hat. Let me see if I can put it on her. Only a little bit. She's not having it. She wants to bite the string. Let me take it off. Oh, she did have the string in her mouth. I thought it was under here, you know, like a hat, like a birthday hat. Girl, she had the string in her mouth, so she cannot play with this one. Look at her face. Let me do the tea. Day 6. I did not do the tea last night because I fell asleep. So remember how tired I was? Is this one big one? Oh yeah. Up here with the books. Espresso black tea. Yes on that. Harry is rocking. Oh my goodness, look how tiny these are. This is up here, 6. Girl. Like a coin or something. Oh, it's a button, like a pen. You know what I mean. Yeah. Oh, that's cute. It's the, what do you call it? The golden snitch, I think. I think that's what that is. I had it like this. I was like, what is that? But yeah, I know I was going to drop it. So yes on that. It's a pen. All right. I thought it was a button. Yes, day 6. Ow! I forgot I said I was going to let hubby do it, right? Yes. Okay. He's putting air on my tires now. They have low tire pressure, so girl. All right, yeah, he could do 6. So Santa breakfast was fun. It is every year. We love it so much. And Kara had a good old time having her conversation, right, with Buddy, right? That's what we call him. And it was just so fun. So now, I'll do the rest of the advent calendars later, but I'm on my way to some Dollar Trees, right? Because they have this whole 25-cent thing going on now with the socks and all the other things that's going on in the store. So I was there. It's a Dollar Tree video up now on the shopping channel, right? So after I left, that's when I found out about the 25 cents, girl. I was like, oh my goodness. So I'm on a mission. Yes, on that. So I'm just going to run in and see. I have my Dollar Tree app rocking, you know, so I can scan to see, you know, what's 25 cents. I mean, you guys know how much I love the socks, and yeah, so I'm excited about it. So that's where I'm on my way to. Oh my goodness. I have the heat on, you know, like on my seat. It feels so nice. My back hurt, that's why. But I'll let you know how I made out. It is dark outside now. That's how long, that's how long I've been shopping. I went to a few different Dollar Trees, right? And I had to scan and check and do all the things. So it took me a minute. Girls, dinner time. Oh my goodness. I just pulled up. So, oh my goodness. It was so fun. I've never experienced the 25 cent thing. So the fact that I can get something for 25 cents for something that I really, really love, which are the socks. Oh my goodness. I had so much fun. So yes, on that. There's a video up already now on the shopping channel for the Dollar Tree. So all of this will be up tomorrow night on the shopping channel. So girl, oh my goodness. All right, let me get in the house, girl. I'm acting like I don't have stuff to do. Hubby probably like, what is happening? It's time for dinner. Oh, Kara still didn't open her 6. Okay, so she has to come down. And I need to do the Ulta one. But hubby's going to do this one. Yes. I'm trying to move with one hand. Day 6. Oh, I see it. You don't see it? Oh, yeah. Just pull it down like a little bit. Hershey bringing. What is it? Oh, he gets, the day he does it. Oh my goodness. The day he does it, he gets Minnie Mouse. That is cute. Okay, so you got to do tomorrow too. So we'll be back with him tomorrow. Yes. Oh, wait a minute. He just said this is like a stuffed animal. I didn't even pick that up. So yes, okay. I just came in the powder room. Adios mio. What is this?
I'm trying to paint them so they're too cold in the garage. I have to bring it in so they can get room temperature and then paint it.
Oh, you just painted this?
Well, I put a primer on it.
Oh, the primer is kind of fire. I like the black. I mean, what color are you painting it? Black?
No, it'll be the same color as those, like bone beige over there.
Oh, okay. Girl, but no. Oh, my goodness. It says over here chillaxing. Having some downtime. I'm going to go walk Hershey quick and fast. So I got my Stitch Fix in the mail. You know that subscription that I get? I think it's 25. It's 25 bucks. And they send me 5 items. And if I like them, I keep them. And whatever the total is, that 25 is deducted. If I don't like anything, it goes back. They send me a new fix, right? So it's fun. I like, you know, shopping, not really shopping. But I wanted to show it to you because I didn't even open it yet. I wanted to open it with you. So, and they send me, you know, the bag with the address, everything. Whatever I don't want goes right in the bag. Send it right back. So it's cool in the game. But 5 items. Isn't that so cute? I can see it's a pair of jeans in here, right? So yes, on that. I feel like I have a lot of sweaters. I'm a sweater girl, but I have a lot in this color. But no, not with the cream on top. Right? Let me step back. Yeah, I like it. It feels like cashmere. That just reminded me, you know what I'm going to say. That just reminded me of Seinfeld, that episode with George and the chick about the cashmere. Girl. So yeah, this is Vince Camuto. Don't they have this in TJ and Marshalls, I feel like? So yeah, maybe that's why I like it. So yeah, it's a little bit longer in the back than it is in the front. As long as it's covering my fupa, then we good to go. We good to go. So that might be a maybe. Let me throw that to the side. What's this one? This up on the neck. I might need it though, because you know I be on a train and things. I kind of like it. With the white trim, right? What you thinking? I like it. It's me. It's me, 100%. Right? Throw it on with the black. With the wide leg. This might be a maybe. I like it. Oh my goodness. This is black. Miss Girls, black and white. Oh my goodness. I think let me, you gotta stop it on there. Look at this one, is looking kind of short though. Let me see. It's got, where's she going? What she got? Oh, I was about to snatch it, but it's her, the one she opened yesterday, the smaller one. That's what it is. I like it. Look at the sleeves. What you thinking on this one? So this is like a grayish, right? And white and black, I feel like. That is nice. I like it. I needed new sweaters too. Oh my goodness. This is nice. Let me see. I got on sweatpants. I had on jeans earlier. I took them off. Girl, it was time to come out them jeans. But yeah, let me see. That might rock. Let me throw that and another pair of jeans. Oh, these are wide legs too. But they have, you know, that's how it looks on the bottom. So I already know that they're gonna be rocking. Darn it, I might keep this whole fix. Let me see. I already know. All right, I tried them on quick and fast. They're cute, but they're like a little bit too long. Like I'm legit stepping on them. So I don't know. And I feel like it's not enough room. You know, let me see. All right. You know how you gotta do all the things, the stretch and everything, right? I don't know. I might keep them for Kara though, because remember I said we're the same size, so she can wear my things. So I might keep them for her. Yeah. All right. So the last thing was this bag. So it's nice. I like it. It just reminds me of a travel bag. That's because I'm always traveling, right? So yeah, it has the long strap. Throw that, right? Hang. Or we could rock, right? Like this. Or she's trying to get the paper. Oh, she got my crop. Girl. She had my Mickey crop. Girl, let me put them on. Oh my goodness. Let me put them on my feet. Goodness. Okay. Because they got the ball, you know, for his head and ears. So, but yeah. I like this. I like this too. This is really nice. Look. It's the perfect, you know what? It's the perfect plain bag, I feel like, right? Throw some things in there, right? For me and the girls. I don't know. So it's 3 different straps. We doing this. Then it's like a longer. So let me throw, right? Hurry up. Get to the gate, right? And then the long one where I can kind of throw that across on a crossbody. Girl, let me crossbody real quick and see how that's rocking. I like it. I feel like I haven't really, I clicked it wrong. I haven't really enjoyed like a whole fix, like all 5 items in a long time. Like I feel like I've been sending everything back, or like one, I'm only keeping like 1, maybe 2 things, right? I just want to see how it's going to look if I do the, I was going to say, I can't do the cross. I forgot I got to let that go some. Right? So now I'm hands-free. Girl, this might be a keeper. I might be keeping it. I like it. I like it. I'll let you know if I decide to keep the whole fix, because I really do like everything. I like all the sweaters, right? Yeah, I'm feeling this 3-in-1. That's right. We don't call it. It's a 3-in-1. It's a wrist, right, shoulder, and crossbody. Yes, on that. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end it here, you guys. We're gonna eat and then just kind of chillax the rest of the night. The Santa breakfast was so good. You know, every year the girls have a good time, and they made some hats and stockings and things you saw, right? Pablo was rocking. He was in his carrier. So yes, on Pablo today, got his little outing. And yeah, let me tell you, I'm gonna show you the Dollar Tree stuff tomorrow. And we need to do this Harry Potter tree. That was kind of on the menu for today. And then I went Dollar Tree crazy with the socks and the 25 cents. Oh my goodness. It was so fun though. Oh my goodness. I had so much fun. So, but let me feed my family, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.